So let's set up Data 360. We can always create a free developer org from Salesforce website by going to developer.salesforce.com/free-trails. Once you log into this URL, you will be getting an option to create a free developer org. You can create it for yourself. I have created my org and this is a welcome screen I got. In order to see data cloud, you have to assign data cloud permission sets. We can go to users. Once we go to users, we see my user here. I will click on my user. Once I go to my user, you see permission set assignments. Once I go to permission set assignments, there is no data cloud permission sets assigned to me. I can click on edit assignments. Once I click on edit assignment, as I want to be architect of Salesforce Data 360 so that I can do all the configurations, setting up data streams, mapping it with data model objects, exploring data, querying, segmenting data, activating data, looking for data graphs, etc. I have to give myself data data cloud architect permission. So let's search where we can have data cloud architect permission. I will write Control F. So we have data cloud architect. I can click on add and click on save option. So now if I give this architect permission, you see here in setup there is no data cloud setup enabled. But if I go and refresh this, you will find data cloud setup enabled as I have right permission sets. I can only assign data cloud permission sets to somebody if I have system administrator permission. Once I have assigned data cloud permission set, I see data cloud setup enabled. I will go to data cloud setup to start setting up my data cloud. Inside data cloud setup, we have plenty of options. Let's explore. So it says that set up your data cloud instance. The process runs automatically and you can navigate away while it's in progress. So guys, we have to click on get started so that the Salesforce set up our data cloud instance. We'll click on get started. It will take some time and after some time our data cloud will be set up. Then we can go to data cloud and start working on our configurations. As you have right data cloud permission set, you will be able to see this data cloud enabled in the app launcher. Once you log into data cloud, you see all the configuration items, all the menu items are available.